So here's how to fix ask your parent to join this experience, or you need parent permissions. So first you want to open your browser and head to roblox.com. Then you'll need to click on the settings and go to the settings page. And now if you are over 13 years old and you accidentally used a wrong birthday, what you can do is click on the edit button here to change your birthday and then enter the correct birthday. Then click on continue, and you should be prompted to verify this task or this edit. Now after verifying that, you will need to click on privacy and content restrictions and then content maturity. Now you will need to make sure this slider is all the way to is set all the way to moderate. Now if you see a button called Ask My Parent in here, maybe your account is managed by your parents or your guardian. So you will need to click on Ask My Parent to approve this change. And then your parent should receive an email with the review button on it. So you should click on review button to see what changes are being asked, or what changes you have asked your parent to approve. And then once they click on the review button they receive on the email, they can approve this change. But until then you will see it as pending with the clock icon in here. Now once your parent approves this change, what you can do is simply go back to the home page and then try to join the experience you're trying to play again, and that should solve the issue. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.